Hey, well, welcome to the channel. Please make yourself comfortable. This is going to be a good one. Anyway, finishing up one I started the other day, and it was a little chilly. Right, so right, be prepared. All I'm saying, it's nice. Here we go. So in the pantry, I pulled out a couple items. I pulled out the imported pasta I really like. This is good company. It works nice. I also do my chili with sausage. Some people use hamburger. Nah, I got every kind of bean I could fit in the cart. Try not to duplicate it. Using the United States can opener company. Oh, nice. Look at this. This thing. Here we go. So buckle in. Let's go through this real quick. So we got the pasta. Now, what I do is I use a pressure cooker. Right? Now, with a pressure cooker, no matter how much pasta you make, all you have to do is cover the pasta with water. Now, this has got a lot of grooves in it, and it really holds the sauce. So here it is, covered. You know, anything sticking out won't cook. But a little circle view real quick on what's going on with the with the deal. Now, it only takes 4 minutes to make perfect pasta. Now, here we have it done, right? It's what they call el dente. It's to the tooth. It means it's just got a little bit of bite to it. It's not crunchy, but it's not soggy either, right? Now, here it is, all drained, ready to go, nice. Some people say you're supposed to rinse the pasta. Some people say you're not supposed to rinse the pasta. Do it either way. Some people say if you rinse the pasta off, the stuff doesn't stick. I don't know. But I found out, here it is on the dehydrator. I found out that I don't want the pasta to touch when I dehydrate because it's just not fun, right? It's really not fun to try to get these things apart. Now, some people will take their pasta and mix it in and make a chili mac kind of thing with it. Well, I'm not going to do chili mac. I got a different idea. I like my chili with sausage. Don't ask me why I like it. Just tastes better to me. This pressure cooker crock pot thing has a searing function also. So you can sear the meat in the bottom before you add any kind of other contaminants on top, right? So nice. It does everything. It's so good. I normally don't use chili seasoning. I saw this wood-fired chili, gave it a go, right? Made sure the meat was all cooked first before the seasoning, right? Now here it is, all nice and I know I did slice up some onion and put on this thing too. Why not? Why not? Now you can certainly make a bulk of this, if not all of it, using dehydrated, stored food stuffs already. But why should I when I can go buy all these cans of stuff and I can afford it? It's nice, right? I got every can I can think of. Now started with some tomatoes and I just started throwing stuff in. No reason to take a picture of that, right? But this has so much beans of every kind, plus mushrooms. The only thing I didn't put in at this time is olives. I forgot. Just thought of it right now when I'm making a movie. But very, very good. And I don't like mine very soupy. Okay. Now I am going to use the dehydrator for this. You can use your oven, your air fryer. Doesn't matter. Spread it all out onto the dryer sheets, right? I didn't want anything. I used the silicone sheets. 24 hours to make sure everything was really cooked because of the pork, right? Now here's what I came up with. Pretty okay. Yes, Yes, I reach in here and I just eat it by the handfuls. No, 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 really. Yule Gibbons or whatever. No, but this is quite okay. Now backpackers and all that do all this measuring stuff before and after and see how much they save. Well, here's what I came up: 33.4 ounces of food. Right? This is chili. Right? So did a little math. Okay, came out with about 5-6 servings. Sounds good to me, right? Sounds good to me. So here's what a serving looks like. However, notice the safety pin. Okay, it's there for a reason. What you have to do, since this is a sealed bag that's going to go inside of a suck vac bag, you have to poke holes in the first bag. Okay, I had to insert this. So I got 11.4 of this. And so there we are on the old scale. So I came up with a portion size after doing a little bit of math, right? And there it is. So about two is a portion size. So this is 2 ounces. So there you go. All right. And so I came out with this is a portion pack size that I'm going to use. Like I mentioned, oh, it's very nice. Yes, I eat this by the handfuls without rehydrating it. No, really. I didn't want to make the pasta in the same mix, so I can choose which way I want to go with it. So I did the same thing, and I measured out the pasta, and there you go. And that's what they look like. So I can do a pasta with it or without it in my choosing. There it is, all suck vac. Now, because it's got meat, as long as it's vacuum packed, it is self stable. Now, just to cover myself with YouTube and everybody in the world, it's my opinion that my food is shelf stable when I vacuum seal it, and if I open it, you have to eat it right away, kind of thing. As long as it's my opinion and my research, but please do your own research or whatever. I mean, I don't want anyone to die. But anyway, so my disclaimer: do your own thing. Don't take my advice on anything. Now, back to the show. So here's my six meals, and there's kind of what it's going to look like when I'm finished. All right. All right. Everybody's already got their hands up and everything. Right. So, all right. Why go through all this? Well, cans take up space. Second thing is, it's $4 a meal, and it's full of meat and protein and goodness. And really, come on, think about it. It's a savings too, right? Really. Now the other reason I do it is it's already a cooked meal. Even the pasta is cooked, so you don't have to recook, right? And it takes a long time to cook pasta, right? In boiling water and all that. This here, it's already cooked. Everything is cooked, so it's like an MRE almost, but about 15 minutes to rehydrate everything. Not too shabby, right? It's lightweight, doesn't take up any, as long as it stays vacuum sealed, right? No, I'm not gonna cook it right now because I'm on my carnivore thing. So here's what I decided to do. I took some sausage and made some balls, and I put some of the leftover onion I had because I don't really do onion that much since I have powders and whatnot. But I went and cut it up and smashed it all inside, on top, inside. Didn't matter to me. Just made some right, John Wayne bars. There you go. Look at this now. This is the uh, first side, and I don't mind a little bit of charred onion now and then or whatever. That's fine. All right. And what do you think? All right. Because the new wave cooks from the top, I have to take and flip whatever I'm cooking over to get the reverse side. Now after about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, here's the both front and back is all completely done. It looks, the pictures they're really not that burnt. It just looks like it. All right. The now because it's pork, I wanted to make sure 199. That's fine. Hey, thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to do a thumbs up. Whew, had a pretty good time. You guys have a great day. Remember, a period, comment, whatever you want to do. It helps the algorithm. Later.